6 months ago, I was finally able to quit my job and jump into business full time. My name is Paras. I live in Vancouver, Canada. I'm an immigrant from India and from a really small city. I came here 5 years ago as an international student. And now I'm building this business full time. Really grateful this has happened, really grateful. This is my 50th video I'm shooting. I'm really grateful to make that happen, and I'm gonna share my experience, how it was after quitting my job like that I really dread for 4 years. 4 years, did a lot of different things, but this 6 months had gave me a totally different perspective of life. And the bigger reason for me is hanging out with totally different people and not going back to that environment. Definitely things change. Definitely in 6 months I have learned so many lessons, because when you do things, when you jump into business full time, what I realized that my risk capacity has gone up, because I feel I have the belief now, if that can happen, things can take big turn. And 6 months, for first 3 months, I was more focused on getting into the stability. Every single month my goal was to $10,000 a month, and again ups and downs happen for me, but keep hustling, keep doing the work on daily basis, keep building this YouTube channel, keep building my community. Every single day was a big part of it. Big lesson I learned, that I have seen, guys, this is something I really want to share. A lot of people started this journey with me, because when the first program I was in, it was like $9,000, and about 99% of people fail. 99% of people fail, and I think I was just, there was like me, 5 more other people who have succeeded to finally, the reason we joined the program, to quit our job and build our business. And I noticed this one little trend. Everyone who was in that program didn't follow this one thing: build your assets. I was more focused on building the asset, like this YouTube video, or building the trainings, building the interviews, that now I have the time to focus on big stuff. Assets are taken care of, that even if I don't work, I have things that working for me. And that was a big shift. Putting my energy into assets, that's what businesses do. Putting my energy into assets, and that asset producing me money. Like, a lot of people just follow this thing wrong. This was big for me. Your energy into assets, and that asset producing the money. This was a big shift until I quit my job really full time. I really wanted the money, right? You wanted the money, I want the money and everything, online business, every month I cook money. But until you have given something, if your energy had produced something that people really want, it's going to be really hard to build consistent. And I learned this lesson, consistent, building asset. If you are consistent on building asset, you have consistent cash flow. And that's the reality. The bigger, the more practical, the more helpful assets you build for your audience was a really big lesson for me. And the better I did that, the more money came in. And 3 months was more really focused on, did an interview with Jacob Karras and build a lot of connections. And then in January 2023, I'm like, now it's been 3 months. Today is March 22. And then 3 months, I'm more focusing on scaling the business. Now, assets are important. There are a lot of assets are built already. But this was a big focus. Scaling it, doing it better. Now the skills get better. In 3 months, we have scaled our business 20,000. It's not consistent yet, I'm not gonna lie. But it's still getting better, because we have clients with payment plans. We have different kind of clients with payment plan, with all that stuff. So it's going good. So guys, 6 months has been, now I have this belief that, okay, if I can be without a job for 6 months and still build the business money doesn't stop, now I can really, be in that abundance mindset. And we always, try to do different things and having fun with it. We try different strategies, closing mastermind, all that stuff. If you want to learn more about that, I just did a live training today, how you can run your own mastermind. Easy clients, easy closing them on your high ticket offers, good to go. It's in the free 5-day community. I will put in the description below. And this is the biggest game, guys. Everyone you see in this personal brand game, this is the game. And if you keep doing this, you can quit your job, you can do whatever you want. Now our main focus is putting in the system. I haven't hired my first employee 2 months ago to run the business 24 hours. He lives in India. 24 hours we run the business, because when I sleep, he can run stuff that really need to be done. Handling any questions clients have, handling any questions prospect have, any question leads have. So 24 hours, the money doesn't stop. That's the best part about online business. And now I'm more focusing on, just building that systems up, because we know what we are doing. Now we put in the systems in between and good to go. The best, experience of my life living. I never thought, this can happen with the online business and affiliate marketing and coaching stuff. But really, I even bought my dream car about, 5 months ago. Tesla, I had the dream. And I believe this thing, man, like it all comes down to your belief. If you believe you're building something really good that's gonna pay you, you will not hesitate to buy your dream car. But if you believe that, okay, I'm doing this thing but it's not gonna work, you're not gonna do that, because you know that I have to on the same car I have to go back to the job. So you're not gonna do that. So if you really want to jump into full-time, guys, focus on this thing. That's my biggest epiphany, you can say, that I have realized that if you focus on building those assets, the more you do it, the better you get, and you can quit your job. And I recommend, my coaching clients as well. A lot of people have to, want to quit their job. And I just focus on this. The more you build this thing, you're good to go. That was 6 months experience, guys. In that between, I went to Winnipeg, I went to California, because I don't have to call anyone to get off from my job. I don't have to worry about it, because money, we are running the business 24 hours. These things can happen when you jump into full time, because until you're just doing the business as a part-time basis, you're not gonna feel that ambitious to put into the work, because nothing is coming from the job. Even that $2,000-3,000 are not coming from the job. So guys, hope this sharing this video was helpful for you, so you can quit your job as soon as possible and make these kind of things happen. Have a great day. Hope you like this video, and if you want to see more video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you like my stuff. See you in the next video. Bye bye.